If it glitches, that's usually due to you recording too early.
I'm in that lock behind you there.
I see that. I'll get away from me.
Is that you?
That was.
That's me. She's passing off to the left and right. I stopped that recording.
Yeah, stop it, restart it.
Here she is. Who was that? Oh shit. Who's that getting chased? That one of yours?
No.
Right boys, I'm going looking for chests to get the good stuff. I'm heading to the shack. There's 2 chests in the shack.
I'm at the shack.
I'm gonna get this one up here, right? Where do you don't open that chest line?
I'm not. I'm not a totem.
It's not that in it because I can give you a
I
better
know,
chance.
I know.
Medkit.
Medkit?
Medkit is a med.
I'm starting a
Boys,
few
so
Jennies and moving on.
The chest upstairs.
Yeah.
The basement.
Oh, she's a hex totem on. I'm on it.
She's saying that, yeah, man. Look at.
She's camping him.
Yeah.
Not the same killer, is it?
Does she have that same head fucking set thing on?
She's around the shack. She has whispers.
Has she? Can nobody get him?
I'm just okay behind the gym. Oh yeah, yeah, man. I got out.
I'm right there. I'm right.
Just made noise to try and get around. Go hitting me.
I did her totem and that didn't make her move.
Get him, fuck it.
It's a free, you know what I mean? He's dead anyway.
She's left him. She doesn't actually bother.
Right in the Jenny.
Won't need a miss that because of the spinner.
For that.
I started like 3 or 4 Jennies
Make
there.
noise, quick lads, make noise.
Yeah,
Oh, blow the Jenny right now, I don't know.
Ah, she's pulling your man. I didn't get fully fucking nailed yet.
Yeah, I'm straight on.
Yeah, actually I'll go for the torch. Fuck it boys, I'm disconnecting this if I have to.
Why?
Ah, I won't get you. Using that med kit. She's coming to the shack.
I'm seeing a totem back here.
You walked straight past me. She didn't even copy healing. Really? What?
I'm just seeing you getting into that lockup.
Oh, she did.
Yeah, she's getting out, she's just gonna blame me again. Shut up. Take her up, I think.
Right, I'm a bit further along.
The shack.
Oh,
Take
shit.
something around.
Oh, mate. No, she left. What the fuck?
Yeah, she's come back towards me. She's gonna check this lockup.
Uh-oh.
Just perform that Jenny.
I guess we're going on.
I am. I'm on another Jenny.
That med kit is back in that shack.
Yeah,
You'll
no
see
worries.
it. Green pillbox. Thank you. We'll just start this.
Singing.
Where are you, Ryan?
I'm over by the... Shit. I'm coming close to somebody on a Jenny there.
That's me.
I don't know where she is though.
There's circling this Jenny like a cunt.
She's coming.
Just get out here, Andy. Leave her.
Yeah.
I think she has whistles. That's why she's hanging around, Andy.
No, she's gone now. She was.
She's somebody. Whoever's on that Jenny ahead there, she's coming your way.
Near the shack.
I don't know.
You want it? Jenny's on it.
Yeah. Oh, she missed. The fuck?
Wayne, you have to be careful.
Oh, spicy. Jump through the fucking window.
Good man, Andy. There you go.
Going back to my own Jenny. She. We're gonna have a Jenny done now in a sec as well. She's been bleeding baby herself. I'm doing one directly ahead of that one.
Yeah, I
Ahead,
see it, I see it.
clockwise.
Up on there, Ryan.
Point the torch there, look. If you want to actually count, I'm gonna.
Fuck the torch.
I'll take it out. The toolbox not worth the fucking.
Right, where's this last Jenny? There's one
Yeah,
up ahead.
straight ahead, yeah.
Singing, singing.
Oh, you're right, she's heading towards your way.
Is she? Just having a look around here.
You know, I'm going back up the way you were.
Where she's just come from, yeah.
Oh,
Are you on?
chest in that garbage.
She's in the shack. She's just past the shack. I'm on a Jenny at the back of the shack.
Oh. Oh, lagging us. Fuck.
Are you on a Jenny, Andy? I'm on one at the back of the shack.
Ah, boys.
Well, she see you. I'm halfway on a Jenny.
What the fuck is going on with this thing? It's fucking kicking out the mouse. Right. I'm trying to flick the car there. You know what I mean?
Andy, make a move towards Wayne to get him off the hook.
Weapons on that chest now.
Okay.
Just be careful. Fuck that, get the Jenny.
I'm ready, stay with him, I'm about to get the Jenny.
You control hard, you Ooh. She's having a route round here. Oh, she's standing there, boys. Get the doors. Get the door, standing there.
Is she?
Yeah. Kiwi's get out, fuck that.
We'll get the door and come back for you.
Andy, straight over to Ryan there. Straight over. Get one door now to go. Fuck
She
off.
face camping me, yeah?
Yes, yes. I'm gonna try and get out.
No, Wayne, don't. Give us time.
I will give you time.
Yeah, no, but I want to give us time. Stay, don't leave it. And then you got the A. I want to go back for that fucking medikit in the shack.
Fine, I wasn't going. I was going to just find her off the
No,
hook.
yeah, don't.
Then A and stay in the A.
Yeah, but
I
the
wasn't
longer
gonna-
you give us, the better. I'm going
Yeah,
back
but-
to the shack.
Out to go, boys.
Hang on. Are you sure? Is she face
Out
camping?
to go, yeah, she's just standing there.
Right, I got the medikit heading for the
Out
door.
Oh, she's still back salty as hell. She's checking the door beside me.
Is she?
So out that door you go, boys. I in the clear over there.
Give her a camper.
Wanna make our way for our points now.